Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we are going to do something for lunch, and that is Thakkali Sadam. So this is a famous Tamilian dish that we could have very quickly and can be made very easily. So if we have already cooked rice, then to make Thakkali Sadam hardly takes around 8 minutes to 10 minutes. So, and this can be had with papad, with pickle, etc. We don't need to have a lot of side dish for Thakkali Sadam. As my mom was an expert in making this dish, we were basically from Kerala, and we had moved over to Chennai, like my parents moved over to Chennai. So that's the way they learned the cuisine in Tamilnadu. So, and this dish she has perfected over the years, and this is what I wanted to show you all. So let's see, how do we make this dish? We need to add 4 tomatoes. Chop them up into fine pieces. Now we need to chop 2 onions into small and fine pieces. Next ingredient is curry leaves, 3 chillies which we need to chop, asafoetida or hing, cashew nut, Bengal gram roasted, peanuts, jeera, mustard seeds, ginger garlic paste, and we have boiled 2 cups of rice. We need to place the tawa on a stove on high flame and add 8 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, the next step is to add half a teaspoon of mustard. Immediately we need to add 10 grams of groundnuts to the mustard and let them cook in the oil. As the groundnut and mustard cook, we need to add 3 to 4 teaspoons of roasted Bengal gram. This is which we had kept aside previously. As the ingredients cook, we need to add a handful of cashew nuts that we had kept aside previously, and then we begin to stir. As we stir the ingredients in the frying pan, we need to add the 2 chopped onions that we had kept aside previously. After we placing the onions in the frying pan, now we need to add the 3 chopped green chillies that we had kept aside. As the ingredients are fried together, now it is time to add the curry leaves which we had kept aside and stir it a bit. The next step is to add the salt. Please add salt as required. We have only used salt as we need to cook for 8 people, so we had added the appropriate quantity of salt. As the ingredients are fried together, now we need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. As we mix the ginger garlic paste with the ingredients, the next step is to add asafoetida or hing or kayam. So this we need to add in appropriate quantities. next ingredient to be added is the 4 chopped tomatoes which we had kept aside previously. Once we add the vegetable along with the other ingredients, we need to stir them and mix them together. The final ingredient to be added is 1 teaspoon of jeera. And once again we stir and mix them together in the frying pan. The next step is to ensure that we get the vegetables to cook by covering the frying pan. We can wait for 3 to 5 minutes before the vegetables are cooked. Once we find that the vegetables are cooked, we need to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder to the ingredient. The final ingredient to be added is 2 teaspoons of coriander powder to the masalas and vegetables. Now, the final ingredient to be added is the 2 cups of boiled rice that we had kept aside previously, and we need to mix everything together. As we continue to mix the masala with the rice, please ensure to add small quantities of rice and mix them with the masala. This would ensure proper application of the masala with the rice. Once all the masalas is combined, a Thakkali Sadam is ready to be served. Enjoy it. During this extraordinary times, I'm sure be able to step out and it must be quite boring. But I hope our videos would help you and inspire you to explore all possibilities in cooking a good meal. At least our family and we are happy to enjoy ourselves with our family members. So I'm sure if you like more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and also like and share our videos with your friends. This will always be a morale booster to us. As well, if you have any comments or suggestions which would also help us to improve our videos or our channels, it will be greatly appreciated. So please keep your comments coming and I hope they're positive. Thank you.